Welcome to a world where engineering meets tranquility. The rhythmic hum of machinery, the delicate touch of finely crafted tools. This is more than precision, it's an art. Let the soothing sounds of precision work ease your mind as we dive into the world of engineering ASMR. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Every detail matters. Here we refine raw metal into a flawless finish. Listen to the gentle strokes as the surface transforms. Precision is everything. Every part must fit flawlessly, every movement must be seamless. The sound of creation. The machine follows its code with unwavering accuracy. Listen to the blades dance on metal. Precision, craftsmanship, perfection. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of engineering ASMR. Let the sounds of precision stay with you. Until next time.